Hey, welcome back. We've got a new problem here for geometry. It says that segment JH is tangent to circle L at point H, and segment JK is tangent to circle L at point K. Let's find the value of x. Okay. So here are the two tangent segments, right? So we have JH, and then we have JK. Right? We have expressions to represent the lengths of those two segments. Right. So I want to use a little bit of intuition here, right? So let's turn the figure this way, right? So that it looks like an ice cream cone, right? And so now you see that this looks very symmetric, right? If we were to fold the paper, or I'm not going to fold it, but if you were to fold it right here, you see the left side and right side are mirror images, right? We have a semicircle or hemisphere over here. We have another semicircle or hemisphere over here. And then we have basically, if it's an ice cream cone, we have the cone, which is two congruent pieces. Okay. So our intuition is basically trying to tell us that these two tangent lines, or these two tangent segments, are congruent. They should be the same length. Okay. So let's put some congruent marks there. Okay. And now that we've determined that they're congruent, right, that means that these expressions should be equal. Okay. So that allows us to set up an equation, and then we'll just use some simple algebra to solve that equation. Okay. So the length of the first segment, which is 7x minus 23, should be equal in length to the other segment, 61. Okay. Let's see. So let's go ahead and add 23 to both sides. I'm just doing algebra now. Okay, so now we've got 7x is equal to, let's see, 84. Okay, and then we'll divide both sides by 7. So let's see, x is equal to 70 and 14 would be 84, so that's 12. All right, let's just double check our math. 84 divided by 7, yeah, it's 12. Okay. All right, so there you have it. X equals 12. The important thing about this problem is not so much the algebra, but this concept that these two tangent segments are congruent. Okay, so I believe that the theorem says that any two tangent segments that originate at the same point, okay, will be the same length or be congruent.